Larry Page. Larry Page, the co-founder of Google, was born on 26 March 1973 in East Lansing, Michigan. His father, Dr. Carl Victor Page, was a professor of computer science at Michigan State University. His mother, Gloria, was a teacher in computer programming. His brother, Carl Page Jr., is an internet entrepreneur. From an early age, Page had a fascination for technology. There were innumerable computers, technology, and science magazines at his home. He became an avid reader and spent a lot of time reading. Reading triggered in him an interest in business and innovation. By the age of 12, he made up his mind to start a company of his own. Page did his schooling from Montessori School in Okemos and graduated from East Lansing High School. Following the footsteps of his parents, Page pursued a Bachelor of Science degree in Computer Engineering from the University of Michigan and Master of Science in Computer Science from Stanford University. During this time, he was also the member of the university's solar car team. This brought forth his all-time interest of sustainable transportation technology. After completing his master's, Page entered into a doctorate program at Stanford. Here, Page worked on analyzing linkage patterns among different sites on the World Wide Web. It was here that Page met Sergey Brin, the co-founder of Google. They did not start off as friends, but later the similar interests brought them together. Page and Brin worked together for their dissertation. They wanted to find out which web pages were linked to a given page. The two considered that the nature and the number of thesis backlinks served as helpful information for that page. Working from Page's dormitory room, they developed a new search engine as part of their project and initially named it Backrub. The Backrub examined the 10 million pages that were there at the web at that time. Page and Brin started working on Backrub. They wanted to use it to analyze the backlink data to know how important a web page was. This led to the creation of PageRank algorithm. The success of Backrub boosted their confidence, and they realized that they could make a search engine far greater to those that were presently in use. The first version of their search engine came out in 1996 and is still available on the website of Stanford University. Page and Brin worked hard on Backrub for almost a year. Finally, they created a search engine that listed results according to the popularity of the pages. On its basis, they concluded that the most popular result was most useful. Now, they decided to give Backrub a new name and called it Google, derived from the word Google. a mathematical term for the number 1 followed by 100 zeros. The use of the word Google reflected their agenda to organize the vast amount of information available on the web. Both of them now decided to create their company. They started looking for investors. Eventually, Andy Bechtolsheim invested about $100,000 in their company. Within a time period, Page and Brin managed to raise over $1 million. Ultimately, Google Inc. was established on September 7, 1998. By 1999, it served over 500,000 queries a day. From a small garage in Menlo Park, the company expanded to a mega office in Mountain View, California, known as Googleplex. Initially, Page and Brin worked as the co-presidents of the company. In 2001, they hired Eric Schmidt as CEO. Page and Brin continued as the presidents of products and technology respectively. Google was rapidly growing and making big profits. The company's first public offering was $1.67 billion, which gave it a market capitalization of $23 billion. At the age of 27, Page became a multi-billionaire. The next level of Google's expansion was the launch of Orkut in 2004. It was a social networking site and introduced Google Desktop Search. The same year, Page's passion for environmental causes came to the forefront by the launch of Google.org. It was Google's humanitarian wing that contributed towards social issues and causes. Google released Google Maps, Blogger Mobile, Google Reader, and iGoogle. Many strategic alliances were formed, and the company continued to grow. It acquired YouTube for $1.65 billion in 2006. Google kept expanding and became the most popular search engine. It spread its wings into email, social media, cloud collaboration, and storage. At present, Google is one of the most used websites with over 1 million servers worldwide. In a single day, Google processes over 1 billion search requests. In 2007, Fortune magazine, in its annual Top 100, rated Google as the best company to work for. The year 2007 was memorable for Page, not only professionally but also personally. He married Lucinda Southworth, a research scientist. Lucinda was the sister of actress and model Carrie Southworth. Page and Lucinda have 2 children born in 2009 and 2011. Page again became the CEO of Google in 2011. Eric became the company's executive chairman. In August 2015, Page and Brin decided to create a new parent company called Alphabet to look into Google and other subsidiaries. Page and Brin served as the new company's CEO and president, respectively. Page kept climbing the ladder of success. In November 2015, Google was ranked first amongst the most visited websites in the United States. It had 247 million unique visitors. Apart from that, it had a market share of 63.9% among the top US search engine providers. Page never spoke publicly about his personal life. He closely guarded it. It was only in 2013 that he spoke about having vocal cord paralysis. Page also donated a part of his wealth to cause he believed in through charities. He also founded the Carl Victor Page Memorial Foundation in honor of his father. Presently, Page seems to be interested in flying cars. As per the reports, he has invested $100 million in Z.Aero, an aircraft company. He also invested in Kitty Hawk, a mysterious flying car startup. Together, Page, Brin, and Schmidt have also purchased 8 private jets. Page is ranked number 10 on 2019 Forbes list of billionaires with a net worth of $50.8 billion.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.